Okay, hello people. I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is good. And I have some great news. I have multiple news actually. I haven't streamed this afternoon actually because I was doing something else. I was trying to prepare a video, but it took some time, I guess. I mean, I did like some other stuff too, but yeah. So basically the plan is I'm working on a devlog that I want to like publish one day. I have like just so much to talk about that I have to kind of decide what I want to talk about, right? I probably won't enter the details a lot, but should be good. Should be good to give an overview. And the project, because I know a lot of people don't really follow the project well every hour, right? Because like so big. It just took me so much time. And other than that, I also fixed my problem. Well, basically last stream, I the stream just finished with a crash, right? It finished with a crash because of indirect comments again. The problem was that I was trying to add indirect commands like during the runtime, but I actually had this with the size of the array instead, which was pretty bad because I mean this is objects, but yeah, I had this for indirect commands. I was just creating the buffer with like the size of the array instead of like a maximum amount of commands. So I couldn't add new commands after after what? After I initialize it. So now instead I have a maximum amount of commands. I can push new commands if I want to, up to 1k basically. And now it's basically working pretty well. And I also have this little this little thing to make sure that this is good, that I have enough, that my buffer has a big enough size. Okay. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty chill stream. I'm pretty tired because my sleep schedule just looped around and now I go to sleep early. But this should be fine. The goal is to go back to a normal sleep schedule. And as you can see, we can place blocks, we can break them again. And what about this one, huh? This test block, I can place it. And when I break it, you can see that when I switch, oh, look at this, wait, look at this. We have our cubes, right? Those are the cubes we destroyed. So destroyed, and we have another one there. And it's basically corresponding not to like blocks from the voxel worlds, but it's corresponding to the items. And it's working pretty well. I don't have the donut transform applied to them yet. That's why they are here. But like if I press J, for example, like J, I'm generating the collisions, and you can see that this is it at the right place? I guess it is at the right place, kind of. So yeah, it's working pretty well. I guess they're like 2 times bigger than an actual cube, though. I'm not sure. Anyways. So this is pretty good. That's just what you have to remember. And now I'm just going to apply the donut transformation to them. So... wait. Oh, I was running the game, not the editor. My bad. Let me add the editor flag. Oof. Okay. And I also want to push all of this actually because I haven't pushed. Oh, right. Wait. Do I still have... I don't have engines. Projects. Voxel engine. Ooh. Here we go. One terminal. And should be good. So now we're going to push a lot of things, right? We're going to push a lot. I guess I just want to make sure the transform is right before really pushing like everything. So for that I should go to wait, let me... Yeah, it should be fine. Let me go to opaque entity shader. Oh, I can't open it. This one? Opaque entity shader. I also want to open the pickup, probably. I'm going to include... Wait, where is it? This. So let's include it maybe here, right? I mean, I guess I can just uncomment this. And okay, so we have... Oh, we need the torus, right? Okay. Okay. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do, huh? Hello. I guess I want the same thing. But that means I need the donut. Scary. Scary d'ailleurs. What? Oh. Are you good? Will you be fine? Did you drink a lot? Did you have like a party or something? Okay. Constants. So those constants are fine. Are there? Maybe not. So I guess it's not really what I want, but I can basically have this kind of thing. Final vertex position. That is calling this function with the torus. I need the camera world position, right? And then we have the vertex world position. 2つフランソの赤ぶどう酒のまったのまったなんだフランス2つフランス Wait. To... Akabuto... Well... Wait, I don't... What's the English word? Grape? Red grapes? Like, did you drink to... I mean, I guess it's like... Choose like sake, right? A cool word for wine. Got it. Because wine is made from... Is it made from grapes? I'm French and yeah, I just don't drink alcohol. So that's why, like, alcohol-related things. I mean, but not that. I mean, are you asking me? Because I haven't. Nanda. No. うん。飲んだ。飲まった。Well, you don't really say that, right? まあ、飲んだことはないけど、まあ、酒は飲めないから。I don't know. Basically, you have nomu equals to drink. Or also equal My Hero Academia villain, right? And nomimasu. Nomimasen. No. Mimashita. Nomimasen deshita. Deshita. Nomanai. Nomanakatta. Nomanakatta. I'm trying to learn non-keigo. Yeah. I mean, it's not keigo. Keigo would be... I mean, I don't know if there is really for drink. But, Osake wa... Onomi... Ah, I guess you have the O. Onomimashita ka. But yeah, I guess non-keigo is this one then. Neutral, right? Like nomu, nomanai, nomanakatta, and nonda. For the past. Because basically in Japanese you have 3 types of verbs. You have those that finish... Well, you have... Wait. The irregular ones, you have iru and like imas, basically. Is it irregular? Then you also have aru, arimasu. Is it? No, it's not really irregular, is it? Kind of forgot. I know I can like conjugate them if I want to, but I just kind of forgot. Like the same as to be, right? In English you have be, I am, you are. Pourquoi? Iku, ikanai is the first type. Well, basically, okay, other than that, I guess you have those that finish in ru, or mainly the second group, except those that finish by iru and taberu, kiru, okay, iru and aru, wait, which one was it? Aru, aru, I guess. Heya, hello, Brad! So, 昨日2つはフランスの赤ぶどう酒が飲んだ。Well, 赤ぶどう酒飲んだ。まあ、飲まなかったんだけど。僕は飲めないから。But, まあ、飲んだことはないけど。So the game looks like this, right? And we have our entities just appear. So yeah, to those that are new, like Brett, welcome. Oh, thanks for the photo, I didn't see that. Wait. Oh, 8 hours ago. I didn't... Oh, right. It's when I read it, I guess. Yeah, so yeah, we have the... I mean, if you have any question, please feel free to you know, ask anything. I have my donut planet, and I'm trying to I don't even know. Oh, I guess it's because my shadow is not working. Right, because I was modifying this. But yeah, I'm trying to spawn like drops, basically. I'm making drops. So we have... Wait, that's... that's in my shader. Oh no. Yep, we briefly chatted in Hypergame Dev stream. Very nice, thank you. Yeah, so basically, I have a lot to show, potentially. Wait, is it? Yeah, no, it's not working. Let me just fix that really quick. Boo. By fix that, I mean... Wait, where's my Visual Studio Code? Boom. By fix that, I really just mean going here, uncommenting that, and commenting that. Pretty simple. Or not? Wait. Wait, what's wrong? Wait, what? Wrong parameters, what do you mean? Ah! Toe. Am I using toe? Toe! Oh, this one. I should define it in the include. But yeah, basically, as you can see, we can destroy, and there are supposed to be like a few. Well, let's go up. There are supposed to be a few item drops. There are basically those red cubes right there. It's a bit off because it's like not the same referential. But the goal is to transform them to be like here, right, where the player is, where I'm breaking the blocks. And that's why I'm like modifying the shader to modify the vertex positions, to place them here instead. So those are my collisions. They represent my collisions. So as you can notice, my collisions are flat. That's like a pretty big thing. My collisions are flat, but my world is a torus. That makes me able to like optimize things pretty well by merging different boxes together. To like optimize things just very well. Right? And other than that, we have, what do we have? I mean, we can place cubes, right? That's good. I can place cubes at the other side of the world if I want to. For example, dirt block over there. I don't know if you can see it, but we can always go there. Right there, right? I can also break blocks if I want to. Other than that, I'm not sure. I mean, we can break blocks, right? What's crazy is that even though it's a donut, we still have cubes, right? This is like a cube, right? Because, you know, I mean, it's a donut, so you're not really supposed to have that. I won't make the painting again because I'm a bit tired, but yeah. I still have to like fix some generation problems, but it's due to the default noise not handling seamless textures from different sizes, you could say, I think. So I might have to remake my own noise instead of using the one from Godot, which I already did before, so I can do that. I know I can do that. Might be more optimized too. I don't know. And yeah, I mean, things are pretty good so far. Is that where the torus starts and ends? Yeah, you can say that. It's basically the origin, right? This is like the origin. So that's why you have this little problem here. But if you go, for example, like there, you can see that there's like no problem over here. Like the biome is like pretty nice too, right? It's like pretty... I added like some noise to make it like... Well, basically I'm using Voronoi noise. So the outline is supposed to be like straight. But I added some noise so it wouldn't be straight, and I think it looks pretty nice. It doesn't... Well, it does look quite natural, I would say. So I do appreciate that. I do like that. And I also have like this kind of caves, you could say, on like a cliff. Or you can just go inside and wow, you know, it's some kind of cliff. There's also some cliffs I really like. I have to wait. I have to find them. I don't know where they are. I guess over there. Yeah, over there. There's one. Let me just speedrun over here. Look at this. Wait, actually, not this. This. Like, it was actually on accident. Oh, I have to talk about the generation 2 in my devlog. I forgot about that. Okay. But yeah, you also have like this little bridge. That's like totally made by accident, but that I really like. And I mean, I do have to improve all of this, right? It was basically a test to see if I could generate different biomes with like different apes, that kind of stuff. And it seems like I can, so that's pretty good. Gotcha, I had to deal with a similar issue in my voxel engine. Oh, you have your own voxel engine, that's nice. And I mean, yeah, I would say that's it so far. So let me go back to the code. Wait, do I still have... Adding children to a node inside the scene tree is only allowed from the main thread. Right. Oh, wait. Wow. Okay. I get it. That's fine. I don't care for now. I'm gonna fix that another time. For now, let's focus on the position. So we have all of this. Wait. Okay. Data, model, we need the camera position stuff. Okay, so we just need to push this. And I mean, I guess camera position. Do I need something else? I guess I do. Wait. Right, Wait, what is... Position? Yeah, position is good. So I guess I can just do that. Okay. And now I just have to push the... Well, it's supposed to be data.model. Data.model. And what was that again? Wait, is that how it's supposed to be? Gel position, constant VP times final vertex. Well, final vertex position. So I don't even need this. I have to redo my shader because the transformation is pretty bad right now. It's not very optimized in a lot of ways. And there's like a few problems with interpolations. Because I have a local distortion around the player to make sure cubes stay as cubes. Because as you can see, when we dig down, we still have cubes, right? It's not like distorting. Okay, so we have all of this. We have the... Well, I mean, I can just copy... So this is a constant buffer. I have the... I need the camera and the cube's small radius, probably. Yeah. And it should be fine. So I can place this here, maybe. Yeah. Should be good. A need with a vec free. I mean, why not? Okay. So wait, let me just think about the padding. So I'm at 4, then this is 4, 4, and then we have a flat, so we need basically... Well, basically it's a vec free padding. Like this. It's like 16 by 16 bytes. Okay. So then I'm gonna go in my renderer where I have my little... Let's be a bit more dynamic. Okay. So we have the constant buffer. Is that a constant? No, it's push buffer. Wait, what's the name? Set push constants. So we have the constants. Okay, we define things here. We have the... Wait, what? It wasn't supposed to be like that. Wait, what? Wait. Oh! Wait, that's object data. My bad. Wrong place. Okay, no, that's the object data. That's different. So the object data is going to say this. But the push constants there are going to be a bit different. So we need the model is already good. We need the big radius. We need the amount of cubes of the donut. We need the small radius of the donut. And I guess that's gonna be it for now. So we have 16 times 3. This is good. And now we are going to uncomment. So 1, 16, and the cube's small radius 16. And that should be pretty good. I just have to update this. Do I have the donut actually? Like space? I have the torus space? Okay, I mean, why not? I appreciate that. I like that. So I'm going to insert row. Ooh. I'm going to update this one time. Oh, I can just do that. That's crazy. That's so easy. And I also have the camera output. Well, never mind, it's already set. So I guess that should be good. We should be updating things pretty well to the shader. I mean, I really think that's it. I think that's it. I don't think there's more to it than that. Did I forget something in the shader? If I go here, no, it's compiling. Reimports, seems to be fine. Where do I have this include? I do. I don't have toe, but it seems to be fine still. So I'm just gonna restart the engine. And technically it should be fine. Technically we should have the transform now. It should be at the same place I am destroying the cubes. So you know what I can do also? Is... Wait, transform. Yeah, let me just go in the interaction. And I have this little transform there, right? I'm just gonna do something. I'm just gonna do a transform.scale. And I'm gonna scale it down to like 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2. Let me just rebuild. I gotta hop, but glad I got to see your game. See ya, bye bye, see you next time. Thanks for hopping in. Okay. So 0, 2, it's just... Well, the only problem is that it's not rotating right now. But is that really much of a problem? I'm not sure. I mean, a little. I mean, now it's going to be small, at least. Wait. Coordinates. Wait. Oh, no. I don't think that's good. Wait. Wait. Is it scaling? It's multiplying the origin by the scale. Oh, no. Translate local. Let's do something like this. I messed up. Wait, let me just check what translate. What is local? Dot. Ew! Okay, get it. Let's do that. Let's scale down first and then translate, because if we translate first and then scale, well, the scale is going to affect the position. It's going to make it make it go towards the origin, which is not what we want. So that's why I have this. Like the order for a transform matrix should be scale, rotation, translation. Because yeah. Because if not, it's a transform that is like looking at the origin, you could say. You basically move, then you rotate around the origin, and then you scale relatively to the origin. So that's not what we want. Okay, let's try this. Oh no. Big problem. Crash. I got a crash. Oh no. Wait, that's crazy. I didn't modify things that much. Did I? Oh, I don't have the donut. I don't have this, that's why. Here we go. So I need to set this. Well, that's pretty simple. That's pretty simple. I already have this maybe here. Well, I have this here. I have the donut somewhere there. So when I set this, which should be in the set, all right. I mean, let's make it easier for ourselves. Opaque entity renderer. Draw. So just before that, we are going to do torus. Please! Where is it? Torus space. Alright, so it's this opaque, or like a renderer. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Torus equal this. Poof. And now it should be good. Technically. I don't really like how I have basically one renderer for each planet, but I mean it's not bad. It's fine. I'm wondering how I can have like LOD for my game, because LOD would be like a pretty great performance increase, but I'm not sure about that. So Minecraft's like game how to have LOD. Don't make distant chunks into lower resolution versions of the same mesh. Make them represent larger voxel regions. Well, I guess that would be pretty simple to have. LOD1 isn't just this rendered at a lower polygon quality. Instead, you combine multiple LOD 0 chunks. Wait. Oh! Okay. Wait. Okay. Each higher LOD represents the same terrain with progressively coarser information. Okay. Generate lower resolution block representations. One macro voxel. For terrain, you can use majority material, Use a voxel oak tree. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be painful in any case. transitions. Yeah. Clip maps. Yeah, I know. Well, okay, that's fine. So we can open the engine again, and this time it should work. Poof! I can break, I can place. And what about this one? Okay, it's not working. Where is it? Oh, the shader is not working in the first place. So what is wrong with the shader? Is it like the toe? Is it that toe is not defined? Yeah, it's not defined. Okay, I can fix this. Instead of putting this here, actually, we are going to put it directly in Taurus GD Shader Ink. Right there. Maybe at the top. Now I can have the pickup. Remove toe. What about the rest? I mean, I think that's fine. Okay, I think that's fine. Redefinition. What do you mean redefinition? What do you mean redefinition? Who is redefining toe? I mean, if it says there's an error, then I guess there's going to be an error. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go here. Undo. And I guess maybe same, well, I guess we have toe. The toe is gonna be there. And Taurus, where is it? There. I can remove this, I suppose. And run. Can I? Wait. Let me re-import some stuff first. 1, 2, no problems. So let's go. Let's go. Let's re-import. Well, let's run, I guess. Do I have? Wait, what's that? Oh, that's wait. What the fuck? What is it? What's going on? Why is it? Why is it going around me like that? I mean, okay. Let's face some of those. Am I going to have more? What was that? What the? That's pretty crazy. I'm not sure about that. Interesting. Okay, no shader problems. So let me just verify that everything is fine. So we have constants, camera. Okay, this is packed. What about my opaque entity renderer? Camera world position. I'm supposed to be setting this. NV cubes, small cubes. Oh, I don't have the big radius. Wait, where's the big radius? Oh, it's before. Wait. Yeah, no, it's before. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that should be fine. I don't really get it. I don't really get it then. Wait. Is there something wrong in my shader? I mean, it's supposed to be the same transform, but I wouldn't really get it. Like, let's do this. And then you have the pickup. So we have include, stuff, torus. We are setting everything the same way. Torus transform from the position. Okay. Okay. Then we have the data to get the model. Okay, that's fine. We multiply. Vertex donut position 1 XYZ. Where's your model? Okay. Camera world position. Camera world position. Final vertex. Vertex pose equal torus lambda. Torus camera world. Vertex world pose. What? Why? But okay, we have the VP. Wait, do I have the VP? No, I have MVP. Wait. What is... Oh, wait, it's there. Ah! I mean, I guess it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. So I don't really get it. I guess that means I have some data that is invalid. And in that case, it's better to check with RenderDoc. So let's launch this. Boo! Okay. So why is it rotating around? That's like my other question. Okay, so F12. It's rotating around me. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, I don't get it. So, also I did some names. For example, you can see that like off stream. I also did some names. Like when I draw, now I have the if I go to pipeline. Wait. Draw in text. Wait a second. Well, actually, I'm not sure. Wait. Huh? Oh, pipeline state. Yeah, I mean, yeah, vertex shader. Okay, this is better. Render opaque path. No, it's not this one. It's opaque entity render. Here we go. And as you can see, I have opaque entity renderer object buffer here as a name for my object buffer, which is pretty nice. And I have my different inject subcommands, my different commands. And other than that, I should be able to check the arguments. So, I mean, everything here is fine, really. And I also discovered something off stream, is that if you go in the object buffer there, then you can basically visualize things by writing down the struct like this. Wait, what is that? Wait, that's not what I want. So what I'm gonna have instead is... Let's see, object data. Yeah, what about the push constants? That's the one I want. I guess I don't have anything for this. Oh, never mind, it's there. Okay, so here we go. So we have the 4x4 matrix, which is... Wait, what even is that? VP, okay, it's a view projection. That's fine. Probably fine. It was working before, so it's probably good. Then we have the camera world position. Oh, man. I'm not sure about that. But it should be good. In this case, in this very specific case, it should be good. Then you have 400 for the big radius. I mean, I suppose. Then we have child free. And the cubes, and then we have the small radius. Wait, the big... Wait. Big radius is 400, and the small is 200? Okay. Yeah, I think the big is 2 times bigger, but, you know, that's a detail. So, if it doesn't work, that means there's something... Well, if this is good, then that means there's something wrong in the... That's in the to-do. Oh, I close it. So, entity opaque. Here we go. Well, it's actually just there, never mind. But yeah, there's probably something wrong here. But I have no idea why. Well, I have no idea what. Torus transform, torus position. I have no idea what this could be. But actually, what's his position? Oh, well. Yeah, okay, never mind. Is it? I do need the transform though. Yeah, wait, what's the transform? The model. Should I multiply it ahead of time? Like beforehand? Oh, because I'm transforming it. Wait. Wait. Hey, Cult! Can your flat even represent that many decimals? The toe? Probably not, but I don't really care. It doesn't really matter. As long as it's... Yo, see you know. As long as it's close enough, right? I just have a problem with my shader right now, and I have no idea what this could be. So I might actually just try the opposite. Go in the pickup and put this in world position. Wait. That seems a pretty bad idea. Let's just have vertex world position there. Yeah, wait, I don't have all of this. So why would I have to transform? Oh no, I do actually transform. Okay, that's fine. So the world actually looks like... Oh, right, it's without the transformation. Never mind. Wait. Right. So technically, let's do this again. I'm getting tired. I'm about to tackle some shader coding myself in a bit. Oh! I want to make some instances, read some per instance data from a buffer. Okay. I mean, that's like what I'm doing, so that's pretty nice. I'm not doing some instancing right now, just indirect rendering, but... Well, there's some per instance data. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, that's basically what I did with my object buffer. In here, right? Not this one. This one. I guess you're trying to do like some indirect rendering too, or not? Just per object data. The goal would be to do things on the GPU, to do some coding on the GPU. But well... I'm afraid I'm going to... Well, I'm actually already GPU bound. Like, my CPU is fine, really, performance-wise. But my GPU is taking maybe a bit too much time. I mean, yeah, I think so. So let me just check this again. This should be fine. Torus transform. Torus position. Okay. And vertex donut position. Wait. Constant model. What do you mean constant model? Right, no, okay, it's fine for this one. I don't get it. It should be just fine. But it should be like the exact same thing. I'm gonna be doing it in Godot, and I've done very little with shaders in Godot. So it's gonna be a learning experience. Oh, I'm basing it on a GLSL shader I coded before, doing a bit of ports of a project I prototyped with Python, and the pygame/modern GL libraries. That's nice. That's nice. I mean, I'm using Godot too, right, as you saw, so we're actually doing things pretty similar. That's crazy. If you want to know, anything, feel free to, ask, right? Basically in Godot, in C++, you can use a rendering device for most of the things you want. It's like, some abstraction around Vulkan and DirectX and potentially Metal. I don't think there's a DirectX implementation yet. I wanted to see if I could do it without rendering device. Why would you do that? I mean, what do you want to use? If you want to make custom passes and stuff, you have like the compositor and the compositor effects, where you can... Well, I mean, I guess you're gonna have to use the rendering device anyways, if you want to create your object buffers. My brain is dead. I'm sorry about that. Also, the most important is to be on the render thread. Make sure to be on the render thread by using a compositor effect, or by modifying the engine at the right place if you do that. Because you could have some problems if you don't. Like not seeing your results. I mean, technically by default, Godot is mono-threaded, so you're not going to have like any race. But yeah, I wanted to see. Oh, never mind. But yeah. Final vertex position. What about if I do something like this? And wait. Pick up. Wait, so the two are already vertex world position. So let me do this. I was thinking I could repurpose a texture buffer. Maybe that's stupid. What do you mean repurpose? Do you want to create one, or do you want to make a new one? Why is it rotating around me? Is there? It's not rotating around me. Okay, pretty good. Okay, pretty good. So now if I... So this looks pretty bad, but if I place a block and I remove it, still not... Where is it? It's there. Hmm. Store non-texture data in the texture buffer. Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Well, yeah, I mean, technically, yeah. Yeah, you have to use a rendering device for that. Oh, I mean, you can use like Vulkan directly if you want. But, I mean, there's a reason that's the rendering device. Wait, what was? Well, okay. I really don't like it. I don't understand. Wait, actually... Is it because Torus transform? Wait, what is that? I wanna... Wait, I'm not sure. Shrink visual. Cube. Is it already applied? Oh no, that's why. No, never mind, that's for the AABB. Oh no, there's a batch. Oh no, that's the 2. This one is not actually called. Right? Please? Wait. Yeah, that's feedback, but that's... Rebuild mesh 2? Wait. Please don't tell me... Well, it's the AABB, never mind. Well, so it should be fine, And yeah, if you want to check out what I have, I basically have... I mean, the same as you just said. I have my pickup texture. Draw. Right there. And texture viewer, you can see that I have my... Well, let me draw a few more things. Poof. Oh. I have my color texture, but I also have my pickup texture where I'm open new mesh viewer resource. No. Like if I go there, you can see that where I point my cursor, I have like different values. Wait, not there. Right click to select. Yeah, for example, there, right? I have like different values, different IDs. It just appears red because it's integers, so it's going to be higher than 1. So it's going to be, red. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is happening. So something simple, I don't have the transformation yet. Why is this not good? Is it because I have to multiply by the model ahead of time? I think that might be the case. I'm not sure. Like if I have... Never mind, I can't have it ahead of time. I don't know. I have really no clue. I'm too tired for that. That's the actual problem. Torus, camera world pose, vertex world pose. And when I said the vertex world position is not good. So I mean, let's inspect the transform again. So opaque. Gyro inject. Pipeline. What was it? Push constance. Well, right here, I suppose. Not changing, okay. Wait, it's not changing. What about the view model? Oh, yeah, I'm not moving, I mean, that's fine. 64. Oh, it's not packing properly? Wait. Let's go here. Can I go in? I guess I can't really. What's that? Custom format. Yeah, I mean, it should be fine to me. So we have data.model times Okay, let me just make sure that this is what I'm thinking it is. Is it Atan? Or is it Kosensin? It's Kosensin. But technically it should be fine. There's a lot commented too. Okay. So basically just a donut transformation and it should be good. Is what I'm thinking. But now that I have that, I'm not really sure. I guess it should rather be this times position. This is going to become a vector 4. So we do this. Okay. We transform from the torus. And then I can technically remove this. I mean, technically it should be like a vec4. So dot xyz. And then I mean, I don't even need this anymore at that point. So I can do that. And here we go. Oh, we don't. Undeclared identifier, right. So data is going to be, first. Torus transform. No overloaded. Cannot convert from floats to vec3. You need a semicolon. Do I? Where? I don't see it. Well, I do need the XYZ here, probably. Wrong operand types 239. Wow. Yeah, I mean, never mind, it's here. Is it? Oh, I guess it's here. Okay. Okay, now it's almost good. Per processor directive cannot be preceded by another token. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ah, this? Wait, huh? What do you mean? Oh, that's not a comment. Oh, I think you're using the wrong comment syntax in shader. What am I doing? You're right. I mean, it's not. Wait, is that supposed to be a comment? I guess it is. Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks. You saved me on this. And then you have unexpected vec free. So, okay, I'm missing a semicolon, as you're saying. Where is it though? I'm just. Well, where is it? Where is it? Not there, not there, not there. Oh, there. Got it. Here we go. Okay, you saved me. Phew! I'm glad I have you. Okay, so where are my cubes? Not there. Maybe it's good news. Can I go down? Oh, I see a red shape. That's a good sign. So I'm gonna place some blocks. And I'm gonna break them. Are you ready? Boo. Okay. Okay, we have some stuff. Woo! Success! Okay, it's a success. So there's just like some delta issue, you could say. But, okay, that's very good. We did it! Okay. Phew! Okay, we did it. So that's one. Now I just have to bring it back to normal. So, vertex position. Instead, I have the final vertex position. So same there, I have the vertex position. This. So, okay, I have to multiply before. Okay, so I'm gonna have to update this. Got it. Because I didn't have a rotation and I didn't have a scale. So since I just had a translation, it wasn't a problem before. But now, you know, it became a problem. And I guess I can just replace, technically? Let's see if it works. So now my world is made out of cubes. Crazy, I know. Right? Cubes like this. When I break, and when I place and I break, it's looking well. I have my drops right there. And if I go away, they're going to distort with the donut. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like this a lot. Okay, yeah, they look like cubes too. Oh, that's so good. That's so useless, but so good. Okay. Okay, good. We have the drops. Woo! Now we just need collisions and some gravity and some stuff. And textures, I guess, to retrieve them. But I guess it deserves a push. So I'm just gonna fix my voxel shader though, because of what I just discovered. So opaque. Vertex donut. Oh, follower goal. Wait, huh? Your follower's goal of 930 was just completed. This minute. Wait, who just followed? I have no clue. But I mean, thanks. Thanks a lot. I appreciate. To me, silly. Oh, you just know? Oh. Well, thanks. Thanks a lot. Oof, oh no, no. Is this the reward I get, Twitch? Seems like it. That's fine, I'm just gonna do a few silly things. So I can remove this. Can I? I mean, I guess world pause. Yeah, I mean, let's just do something like this, right? Vertex, donuts, world position. Done. Hey, welcome back. Yeah, that's a shame. Twitch just gave you an ad like that. Thanks a lot, though. I mean, I really appreciate it. Okay. I'm just gonna clean this. And I'm gonna do the same with the pickup. So remove this. This is gonna be world directly. This. And I want to replace the position by this. Well. Technically, I guess I can just replace. I can just have position here. And put this one here. Right? And now it should be fine. So yeah, I can just copy again. And let's just replace this. World position. So data.model. But I mean, yeah, we basically have the same, well, you want to do the same thing as I did. So, like, that's crazy. That's crazy. But I have to, well, I spent a lot of time on this, but I mean, you don't have to spend that much time. Because, you know, I made like my custom collisions for my effect and stuff, and I had to discover it myself too, I guess. But if you're curious about how I'm doing things, I basically have, you can do that in GD scripts, but in C++, what I'm doing is I have my custom, it's gonna be so ugly. Compositor, I have my my custom compositor, and I'm creating my compositor effect. And what I do, this is important, this is a must-have. If you want to render things, you need to render them on the render thread. And for that, you need to bind to this callback. That's why you have to use a compositor effect. And from there, you can do basically whatever you want. I'm planning to implement a 3D tile system of my own with tile meshes instance and transform in a unique way. Oh, okay. 3D tile system. Oh, what do you mean by that? Wait, 3D tile system. So, like voxel, basically? With tile meshes instanced. And transform, okay. So do you mean like a voxel? Because I guess a 3D tile is a cube, right? So are you just doing what I'm doing? Are you just... That's voxel? I'm not sure I really get it then. Hey, I'm just gonna... I mean, I guess this is fine, right? Yeah, the transform is still fine. So I'm gonna push this. I'm gonna push all of this. Oop. Voxel engine. Yes. Finally. Voxel core. Voxel inventory. voxel rendering, a lot of stuff in voxel rendering, and voxel gameplay. Well, actually, I'm not going to push this. Okay. And then voxel gameplay. Like this. Like the tile system Godot comes with, but I'm not going to be tiling along an axis aligned grid. Oh! Okay, so, oh, I see. Wait, what? So basically a 2D thing, but in 3D, right? Like you're going to want well, you want a 2D plane in a 3D world, right? I mean, I don't really get it still, because it's just for rendering, right? Like, you know, you can, well, technically, yeah. Though I'm thinking I'll add floors later. Floors. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking, you know, you can like just use a camera or something to render it in 3D. With like a custom transform. No, it's not 2D at all. Okay. Okay. Are you talking about faces? But faces are in 3D? Maybe? Okay, let's commit that. So, 43.44 maybe? 44. I'm going to be tiling along the quads of a mesh, along the XZ plane. XZ. Tiling along the quads of a mesh. Okay. Okay. I mean, so it's flat, right? It's 2D basically by default. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I get it. I think I get it. So the mesh can be 3D though. Right. It's along the quads of a mesh, but the mesh is 3D. The quads are going to be distorting whatever models I place. Yeah, okay, I get it. On the grid to the shape of the quads. Got it. I see. Okay. I mean, it's basically a tile map with a decal, right? It's a decal. Well, if you want to implement it pretty ugly. Oh. Like, if you don't care about performance, kind of, you can have the tile map from Godot and just use it as a decal. But I'm not sure about whether it's really going to be good or not, right? Like, there's probably going to be a lot of problems if you do that. So, okay, that's fun. That's nice. Sounds nice. I like the idea. So gameplay, well, module added with breaking blocks, breaking voxels now spawn an item. Can now spawn an item. It's hard to explain. No, I get what you mean. I understand. Don't worry about that. It's pretty nice. Push! Phew! Okay, good. So now we are gonna have something similar here. With git add. Wait, let me go back. Do I want to add all the shaders? Yeah. I want to add voxel game. Main 2, I guess. And player.gd with data. Yeah, everything in data actually, even the test item. Models, cube, item, drop, this one too. And it seems good to me. I'm extruding out a trilinear interpolation cube from the floor mesh, and we'll use it to place and stretch the models. Extruding out trilinear interpolation cube. Well, okay. Maybe. I'm not sure, but okay. I'll be able to warp them around by manipulating the 8 points of each tiles cube. Okay. Okay. So we have this, we also have shaders, transform, well, rotated, transform fixed. And I guess that's my niche. Boo! I got it working in my Python prototype before, it was quite nice. Oh, do you have like a video or something? I mean, feel free to like, you know, share it in my Discord. I'll take a look. If you do. Not a video, oh. Or like, you know, an image. Whatever you have. Okay, so wait, this is pretty good. Now I need to maybe put like some additional offset. Oh. My Python prototype just lacked a lot in terms of being a full game engine, which is why I'm importing to go to guided. Makes sense. Yeah, Python is... I mean, it depends on what you're using it for, but yeah, I can understand. I mean, it's not a game engine, right? Even if you have like Pygame or something like that. So there's the scale. Right there. That's a little problem. Like the translation, really. Because it should be plus 0.4, something like that. This plus... Wait, so I scale... Right. So translated. This plus block size divided by 2, basically. Pygame isn't for 3D. I was mostly just using Pygame for the window and input handling. Modern GL library was how I was doing the 3D graphics. Got it. Yeah, I haven't used it a lot. I guess you you could have guessed it, right? But yeah, okay. Okay. Modern GL for like modern OpenGL, I guess. So it's like 3.4 plus, right? Okay, that's nice. I guess you're familiar with OpenGL then? Because now it should be centered. We can... Yeah, that's the collision. I don't know how I'm going to simulate things. I actually want to prevent collisions. Let me restart. Enough. I see. Because, you know, Godot uses Vulkan, but, you know, it's like pretty similar, right? Like, I mean, GLSL is GLSL, so the shader language doesn't change a lot. There's actually a few variables that change that I've been a bit confused about when well, just this morning, I guess. But other than that, it's, you know, I mean, details. And yeah, Vulkan, I mean, you do have like the rendering device to help, I guess, to abstract a little, like the semaphores and stuff, because I don't think you want to do the synchronization yourself. Wait, why are you using Godot? Like, what features do you want in Godot that you don't have in Python? Actually, it's just a plus 0.5. Well, enough. Basically everything, collision, physics, character animation. Yeah, okay, I see. I see what you mean. Understandable. Okay, so when I break, hey, it's in the middle. We have the job. We just need, wait, do you have collisions? I don't have collisions, right? So I'm not sure about why I don't have collisions. Is it because it's not... Oh, wait. Gameplay manager. Okay. Yeah, let me just do a plus 0.5. Like half, basically. And then that means I can remove this. And that also means... Yeah, and I also have to only add it when I'm not on the render thread. So I mean, I could just wait. I could do that in JavaScript instead. But I mean, that's not really the main problem. PRGD. It's a call deferred, I think. But I don't like call deferred. Is it on... What's the name? Context, maybe? Yeah, okay. Oh, Goblin around! It's a raid! Sacre bleu, tu es français! Merde! Yeah, I am. Baguette! Baguette, be ready. Fromage. Let me give you a little shout out. How are you doing, little goblin? What have you been up to? If you want to see what I'm doing right now, wait 2 seconds. What I'm doing right now is I basically have my game. It's a Minecraft game. Woo! But it's a terrace. So it's Minecraft. You can place blocks, you can break blocks. But it's a turret, it's a donut. And you can loop around and stuff. And yeah, I was trying to make items. Like, you can place them and you can break them and you have like some drops. But you have to, you know, add like collisions and stuff. I tried to raid, but alas, I failed. You succeeded. No, I meant to raid and run. Oh, okay. I have to go. Oh no! My apologies. Okay, that's fine. I mean, thanks for the raid. And maybe see you another time. Appreciate it. So yeah. And I don't have collisions. Wait, on raycasts. So there, right? So technically, can I just wait here? I'm not sure about that. Like, can I just do this? Wait. Process frame? Can I do that? It doesn't seem really safe, but it seems to be. Okay, this seems fine. Why not? Why not? I don't mind that. Okay, I still don't have collisions though. Because I have no idea. So, time to debug the collisions. We debugged the rendering, now we have to debug the collisions. Spawn item drops. Well, I mean, we have the... Yeah, we have... Wait. Spawn, initialize, create collider. So we have the cube with like all the points, and that should be fine. To me, it looks good. We have the convex shape and stuff. Oh, because it's not rotating and stuff, is it? Yeah, it's not the world position. Yeah, there's no translation right now. Right. That means I have to implement transforms. No. I mean, I just want the position. I just want some translation. I don't want rotation because that would invalidate my normals and my optimizations. So just translation is fine. A scale could technically be good too. A scale, I'm not sure. Maybe. Yeah, technically it could be fine. Okay. So I need some translation and I need like a flag to say that this collider is only going to collide with the ground and is going to overlap with the player to allow for detections. Okay. So, what are we going to do, huh? Transform. I'm not even... Oh, actually, I do have the transform. Wait a second. Wait a second. Huh? Oh. Wait, so X-Form is not working? Wait. Let's do this. Without the editor. And let's see what we have. I want to see the value of vertex of the vertices. Set concave shape vertices. Well, it's not the most optimized, but it should be good still. 8 vertices, concave, convex. Did I forget something? Bind. I mean, technically it's been created. Do I need to add it? Like assign it? Wait. Oh, I actually don't. Wait. Create. Wait. Let me just take a look. Test collision. Register collider. That's what I forgot. Yeah, I have to register the collider. Let's go here. And we have register collider with the RID. And the collider is this. Okay, now it should be alright. Please. Please be good. Yeah, I'm not sure about the rotation still. I was thinking about it. Wait. Is it? There's... Never mind. It's fine. So... I need a flag in the physics server. For colliders, I guess? Wait, how do I test collisions? Well, let's do that, I guess. Instead of like adding a bit, actually, I could just split my entities. It could just be like another array or something. Oh no. Oh no. It's a crash. We have a crash. We have a little crash. I should have run without the editor. What a shame. Why is there a crash? That's crazy. Register collider. Is it because of that? Colliders push. Is it that much of a problem? Is it because there's no OID? I mean, there should be one, right? Creates this OID. Seems good to me. So, I mean, let's just restart. Because I'm not sure where the crash would be. Oh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. So we have this. We have this, and I crash. Size. Huh? Oh, is it because of the thread? Wait, no, it's supposed to be on the same thread. Wait, reserve? Wait, what's the deal? Oh, I don't have axes. Right. It's null. Ooh! Ooh! It's null! Convex shape doesn't have any edges and axes. Wait. So maybe I want to check when I register. Register, collider, or ID. Like just, I mean, one or the other. Wait. Oh, it's in, well, yeah, here. So I do this, register collider. And I push back, but first I want to check if everything is good. So I have to check, I guess, if this is valid, right? I mean, this is fine. Then we have if the shape is valid. Well, I mean, I guess it's null. 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 Shape. Then we verify if there. If convex shapes is higher than 1, or well, than 0. And if it's not null, but I mean, higher than 0 is fine. Maybe. Maybe. Well. Collider, convex. Ah! Like, well, shape. Convex shapes that size. Well, if it's not empty. Well, if it's empty, then there's a problem. And then for all of this, you know, it's just as a test. That's fine. This convex in this. Then we have the problem of, well, let's just check. Edges and normals. So, edges and normals. And we check if it's null. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, and it just returned, so I won't have any crash when I try to register things that are not valid anymore. It's taking some time, I guess, but it's nothing, right? It just checks, so that's fine. Other than that, what do we want? We want to set the edges and the normals. And I guess I want to align it to the worlds. So, hello Azrato, welcome here. Do you want to see something crazy? Oh. What the fuck? You're doing some crazy things. 16 months. OMG. That's crazy. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Look at this. Are you ready? Well, I mean, I guess it's crashing a little bit, I guess, right now. Oh no. Should I just set the edges and the normals pretty fast? Wait a second. What is it? Axis group. This. Cube space, collision normals. Oh, I guess I can just have this. Wait, chunk space? Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait, that's crazy. I have this here? Wait, what? If it's not, I'm creating? Wait, I should be setting them, though. Wait. Have I just... Wait a second. Huh? Huh? Am I setting them somewhere? Wait. I'm never setting them. So wait, that means I'm always creating them. Oh no! Oh no! So it was even less optimized than I thought it was. Wait, what? Wait. Really? Wait, that's crazy. Wait. That's crazy. That's crazy. That means I can optimize things just like this. And now I can go in here. And get the same normals and edges. Okay, I like that. So it's the convex shape. And we have singleton convex shape edges and the normals. Okay, I'll be coming to it pretty soon as Roto. My approach is for the weight, for making you wait. I guess I want the gameplay manager. Waiting. No! My apologies! No! How could I? Edges? Wait, I don't have the space. Rendering chunk. Nope. Spaces, chunks. What? Why rendering? Core. Space. Nope. Spaces. Chunk space. Okay. Here we go. So we have edges. Well, I mean, I guess we can have the space. And we have... Wait. Collision normals. Is it good? Why is it not good? I don't understand. Does that have to be const or something like that? Is it not good? Okay, let's restart. Oh, I need the convex shape. Please. No! Okay, wait. Too late. Okay, now it's good. Okay, wait. It's actually not. Axis group to ID. Convex axis. Oh, no. Oh. Right. Oh, that sucks. Create axis group. So wait, is it really make OID? Axis group OIDs. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I need the OID, that's my problem. I mean, technically... I don't know. Create access group. I mean, how can I get the OID from this? I can't, right? Can I? Create access group OID. Well, technically, I guess I can. Oh, well. Okay, technically I can. Yeah, technically I can. Why am I using those there? Push. I mean, do I really want to do that? No. Okay, we're gonna do it the easy way without the OIDs. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know, man. Create collider. I mean, I don't know. The OIDs are pretty nice. Can I get the access group from the OID? Can I just return both? Kind of. Like if I go here and I do OID. And then I have access group. I don't have a get. I don't have a get. Yeah, that's bad. Ew, that's bad. Maybe I just want to note. And you have like out equal OID. Access group. Okay, so I should be using this at 2 different places. In total. Maybe. One here. In here, right? So I guess we can have this. Well, I mean, we have both, right? We have OID. And then I'm just going to update that. So this OID equal OID. And this OID equal OID. Okay, so we just have to create those. To do move, I know. But I'm lazy. I'm lazy. Used to optimize entities too. Well, entity colliders too. Okay. I mean, good enough, right? I might want to include core templates OID there. Oof, okay, it's compiling. So we have the OIDs, and we have the OIDs from here too. Is there like any problem here? Yeah, there is. Right there. Get. I mean, it's just this price. Cross product OID. It doesn't really matter. I guess I shouldn't really register it here. Yeah, that's what I don't really like with our IDs, but that's fine, I guess. Okay. So now we have the entity. So we use our IDs. And everything should be fine after I add the manager there. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! The goal is just to have collisions with the queues, which shouldn't even be the case, really. But yeah. Well. Basically, right now I'm gonna collide with them, and I'm gonna get stuck, right? They're gonna act like a wall. But the next goal is going to make them act like, you know, like an object you can go inside. Okay, okay. Are you ready? Azretu, look at this. Are you still here, Azretu? Is it gonna crash? Why is it there? Yeah, perfect. So, look at this. I have my voxel world. I have some hotbar now to like place my cubes and stuff, right? And I have like some biomes with grass, with snow. I have my donut. I have some caves. I don't know like what you saw last time. What did you see last time? I don't know. It's been a while, I think. But let's go to some place interesting. I don't have any. I don't know. Okay, good enough. Can I go there? No. Ah! Wait, maybe here? Maybe it's the other side. Yeah, maybe. Oh, wait, this one is nice. Look at this. Wait, what is that? Oh, it's just going around. Yeah, it feels pretty weird right now. There's like some problems with the interpolation. But you have some nice bridges. Yeah, it feels very trippy. It feels very trippy. But yeah, you have those. I have to fix that. Anyways, and right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to have like some entities. I'm trying to have some entities. So I break, well, I'm placing blocks. And when I break them, I want blocks to spawn. Like those drops, right? Those loots. And right now I should be able to collide with them, but I'm not. So this is a problem. What about J? Wait, do I even have... Wait a second. I don't even have collisions. J? Okay. Wait, it's not generating. Oh, it should be like very far away, I guess. Is it? Oh, yeah, it's there. Okay. What is that? Huh? So we have the collider. And we have a few things. Like the tower. Those are the collisions. Those are the colliders. As written. In case you're wondering. Yeah, it's like the colliders. It's my colliders for my chunks. Yeah! It's in another place. You have the donut. And you have the colliders of the donut. which are different in different worlds. When you use the IMGUI to do a beautiful debug menu, why would I use it? I can just use the Godot console. It's beautiful. If you say so. I've been using it, you know, for my engine. Like my engine uses EMGUI. To this one. It's EMGUI. This is EMGUI. Just for you. Even like the things there. With a custom theme. Like some custom colors and stuff. I prefer the default skin. You do? Ew. I don't know. I'm not saying you have bad taste, but you have bad taste. Is that Proxy-sama? Yeah. I'm glad this doesn't have... Well, I'm glad there is backface cutting for this. For performance reasons. When? Never. What about never? I'm not sure about the problem. I'm not sure about why the position is wrong. And I'm also not sure about why it's not working as expected. Like the visual is at the wrong place. Let me close. Let me just restart this actually. When a game in Java? Oh, never. So if I do this and I break, it's 0. Wait, so did I do have a plus 0.5 though, right? Wait, I don't. Wait. Create visual. I mean, it's not there. It's in here. Yeah, I do have a plus 0.5, so I'm not really sure about that. Oh, is it because it's like an integer? No. This one is an integer. So maybe I should like convert it. Vector free. Plus 0.5, block size vector free. Coordinates. So I don't really get it. It should be in the middle. It should be in the middle. Or maybe I forgot to restart. I don't know. Okay, what else? Oh, wait, did I restart the engine? It feels like I didn't restart. That's pretty weird. Let's restart just in case. Let's open without the editor. And yeah. Good. Things are good. Oh, tonight I'm gonna sleep. Ooh. Also, I was planning on making a video as the time. I was thinking about making a devlog for my game. To explain very quickly everything, because making a video, yeah, I know, crazy. In English. Devlog? Yeah, right? Are you sick? I think I am. But I mean, there's just so much to explain. Oh, thanks. You. Thanks. Oh, wait, so... Okay, I just had to restart. So now I have the collision. Look at this. I have the collision is working. It's just because I didn't restart. Okay, this is good. I have a collision. Yeah, Wait, did I tell you I had custom collisions as Roto? I mean, I guess I told you, but... Do you understand? Probably. Yeah, basically, you know, they're like made by hand. In my little code. In my little class. I'm not using Code's physics. So that's pretty nice. I also have custom collisions. Oh, what kind? In 2D? Not using Code physics. Yeah. It's 3D collisions. And it's not just with those cubes, it's like with any convex shape. So it's like a real engine. It's like continuous. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And I can show you voxel, voxel collision. What is it? Server. Voxel physics server. And yeah, basically it has collision against all. It looks like with the velocity. So it's like continuous in this case. It looks like this. Well, I don't have really the physics, I have the collisions, right? So like, for example, the response and like that kind of stuff is not really there. But continuous collisions, right, with every shape. And you can see that I basically just have my code, right? Where I'm testing with like the projections and stuff. And I'm like optimizing it for voxels. For cubes. Well, for cubes, not for cubes, for things that have the same edges and stuff like that. Shapes that have the same edges and stuff. And yeah, it's continuous. So that's pretty good. Because you know how in a lot of games, in a lot of engines, in a lot of engines you have discrete collisions. So when you try to get inside an object, you actually get inside, and then the engine is trying to push you outside, right? But that's causing some problems in some cases. So what I do is instead I just intersect the hit point, and I just stop the player there. So it's like perfect collision. It's like pretty good. I like it a lot. It's working pretty well, as you can see. Poo, right? Anyway, so we have collisions. I guess for now I want another lab. Do I? I'm using tiles to map every map in my game. Tile to map? Wait. By map you mean to make your game. So I make tiles map. Okay. Okay. Pretty nice. Mapeditor.org. Ah, it's a virus! No! Oh, that's fine. Tiles. Oh, I'm using tiles. Oh, okay. So this is the name, right? Of the editor. To map every map in my game. Got it. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Good. Can I check the... Get started? I mean, yeah, it seems pretty nice. I'm not sure about that. Every time I see that, I think about Minecraft and floating origin. But yeah, you can put custom shape to do collider and interaction. It's cool. Okay, seems pretty good from what I see. Look DM. Okay. Can I show maybe? Wait. I said that ahead of time. Négatif. Oh. Je vais mettre mes collisions dans tiles. Et moi, c'est le point de spawn. Okay. Wait. So those are your... Oh. Et donc je peux faire n'importe quelle forme. Oh. Okay. So you can basically create your collisions directly in tiles and like just put any shape you want. That's nice. With the shapes, the collision shapes being like those things, right? Okay, okay. Hi, how to program. Just you know, code and think, and that's it. Oh, Rupet! Oh, I just closed my game. That's fine. Okay, so now I need... Wait, no, I need to know what I have to update. Whoa, so many people, hello! Oh, that's crazy. Wrong place, wait. Voxel engine. So let's see what we have. Our changes. I don't know what it is. Drink. Thanks. Hi, Raf. Hello. I have to show you something crazy. I'm making my entities work slowly but surely, and I just have to fix a few things. Well, I just have to push that. I just want to push that really quick. Poof. Voxel gameplay. I don't have to push the rendering. Wait, I don't have any new thing. Okay. Voxel 44.1. Item drops now have colliders. Working colliders. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna run my game in the meantime because I want to show people the world I'm working on. Poo. Player.gd. Wait, what's that? Oh, yeah, I mean, I guess that's fine. It's just going to be 44.1. And interaction now running on GameFred. Ah! Okay. So, look at this. This is a game. Yeah. It is, that's what too. It is. Shh. Don't write it. Don't type it. But yeah, this is the game, right? We can place blocks, we can break blocks. This is a donut, this is good. And now we can place those blocks, those test blocks. And when we break them, we have some drops that have some collisions. So I mean, for now the collisions are just stopping the player, right? But now the goal is to make them overlap with the player, but collide with the environment. So we can add gravity and so we can make them fall down. That's the goal. So that's going to be pretty good. That's going to be pretty neat. And yeah. And fall and slide and roll. I'm not sure about the sliding and rolling, but I mean, you know, we can think about it. Wow. Well, actually, wait, should I do that? No, I shouldn't do that. The proxy, can you slash VIP Rarath? I don't have the perm. Oh, it's like, okay, I see who this is. Wait, why? Wait, why? Well, I mean, I know why, but what does that do, Twitch VIP? It's a special status. VIPs bypass chat slow mods. Follower slash subonly restrictions. Rate limits. And link posting blocks. Okay. Immune. It's beautiful badge. Okay, wait, I'm gonna give VIP. Here we go. There. Okay. So now I have to make them what? To make them overlap with the player instead. Are you still here, Ropet? Yay! What do you think about this? Oh. Oh. Waiting for release. And the game is out. It's nice. Hey. Yeah, I mean, when will the game release? I mean, I'm making entities, right? Not rotating though. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of problems. That's fine. No, it's not. But yeah, I mean, let's just register those. That's collision against all. I think that's really the problem I have right now. I should basically split into different categories. So like maybe terrain and voxel drop, something like that. Well, item drop, I mean. Do I want to create things here, though? I don't really want it to be in the physics server. But at the same time, it's convenient. If you want to do content, you have a ban appeal demand, if you want. What? Wait, a ban appeal demand? Wait, I do? Wait, where? Wait, how do you see this? I'm just banning people. Wait, role manager? No. My god. You see in DMs. Oh, interactions. Oh, that's nice. Um. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Oh, right. I think I remember this guy. It's like one of the only ones I've banned that wasn't, you know, a bot. Yeah, I'm just showing, right? What do you think about that? Should I unban? You have the link to the demand and history. Wait. I have to. Wait. I have to check this. Okay. Try my game. My game. He's basically been spamming a bit. I mean, I guess that's fine, right? Yeah, I mean, okay, this is not really fine, right? Well, yeah. Um, and yeah, I mean, then there was this, right? If you don't try my game, I will report you, and that's when I banned him because he wasn't really pleasant to interact with. And I was thinking it would, like, you know, if he's a child, then, you know, he's gonna learn from that. Learn to respect a bit. Teach some patience. It's my way to be kind. Okay, so actually now that I have the game manager, it should be pretty game manager. I can basically have like a list there of colliders. OMG, it's a good clip for you, Mr. Proxystan. Is it? Clip that, Twitch, clip that. It should work. I don't know. I have no idea. Dashboard. Bah. I don't know if you have to enable something for that. Clips. This game is pretty nice. Wait. Oh, there are like some other people that are just making clips out of me. Right. Clips I've created. No, it doesn't seem like it. That's fine. It should work. I don't know, it didn't work. Let's just have... Maybe not a local vector. I'm not sure. Maybe something like this. Let's have colliders. And this should be... This should be... Entity colliders. Well, not entity. Well, let's just have item drops colliders. Item drop collider. Well, how is it called? Item entity. Item entity colliders. So this is like a class. And then we have the same for the terrain. So we have terrain colliders. Something like that. Wait, so many people, that's crazy. That's crazy. So we just need to... Yeah, how is it even getting registered? Register collider. Right there. Wait. There, collision loader. Is it thread safe? Oh, yeah, because of the start. Well, potentially, right? It's not right now, but it should be at one point. Yeah. You. I'm not really sure about that. Drink, never. Never drink. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, what do you want? A pearl? You want a pearl? I still have to update this in English, into English. Well. But, register collider. Should proxy drink. Seriously? Wow. Oh my god. Wait, what's that? Oh, did you just create it? Oh, you did. I was gonna make it. Wait, 40? What the? 23? Wait. 27? 31? Wait. Are you voting? Wait, why are there so many people voting? 31 people said yes? Oh, I have some channel points. Oh, you can use the channel points for that, right. I forgot. I was like, whoa, I'm becoming popular, I'm becoming famous. Because Azruto wants to make me drink. Crazy. You drink one sip. Pervert. No. One sip pervert. Oh, there's like 19 no. Wait, there's like 19 no. $36 no. Who's gonna win? Wait. This is a battle. It's not even me. It's not even me. Wait. Let me go there. Let me show you. I don't want to see my face. Can I remove that? I don't know. But, look at this battle. I'm gonna drink anyway. Why not? Just for the poll, I'm not gonna drink. Wait, who's gonna win? This is epic. This is incredible. Am I really going to wait until the end? How long is this poll? Are you really using everything? 39%, 51%. Wait, he's gonna catch up. Oh, 4 votes. Okay, 4 votes. Equal. Oh, it's no. We have a no. It's going up. I don't have channel points anymore. Someone has too much. I'm poor. Oh no. Well, I guess it's a no. 200. Repet, thanks, repet. That's a way to use channel points, I guess. That was amazing. Dry proxy, yeah. So, do I want like a callback? Thérapie tape. Message streamer. Thérapie. Drink some air. I'm Kirby. From now on. But I have to think about the architecture. Do I want callbacks? I don't want to call a callback every time something is created. It feels like a waste. Is that... I don't think clip is enabled. Like, I don't think there's a comment. I'm not sure. Sadly. But what else? How do I want... Maybe I can just register it myself. Bad idea, bad idea. Yeah, that seems pretty bad to have a callback there. What about having it... What about having the callback in gameplay queue? No. Well, not there actually. But in generator, in the factory generator. And yeah, maybe now it's even more optimized than before. I actually want to test this. Maybe open Godot. Godot. Wait. So that. Editor. And I want to open my profiler. I want to test. I want to see the performance and see if the collisions have become faster. I mean, technically, I guess there shouldn't really be much, but there should be like less spikes, let's say. Yeah, there should basically be no spikes anymore. I think there were like a few ones before. And other than that, yeah, I mean, I guess, how can I get them in the game manager? In the gameplay manager? I mean, for the entities, it's gonna be simple. But, yeah. So we have this. Wait. So I can try to go there, I can break. Okay, let's stop. So we do have a few, well, performance issues due to the GPU. Because the CPU, as you can see, is just waiting. Well, oh no, it's because I'm limiting the frame to 30 frames per second. Yeah, so it's actually better. And move and slide, test, no. It's basically 1 millisecond against like everything without any broad phase. So that's pretty nice. What's that? Physics process. Huh? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I still have the... Wait, what? Get camera bases. Oh, it's the physics process, that's why. So I have a physics process that's taking time? I mean, I guess so. I should just disable the physics. Well, maybe not entirely, because I need the physics process, but yeah. This continues. Okay, so we need gameplay manager. So we have those. We should have those. And now we just have to register them. So for entity, it's pretty simple. I have my item entity here. I have my manager. And when I spawn this collision, I can just do entity, is it private? Protected. I can do that. I already have a forward declaration. Wait, so why is it not working? It's ambiguous. What do you mean ambiguous? Huh? What? How is it? Struct maybe? Huh? Local vector. What do you mean local vector? Yeah, it just doesn't exist. It's undefined and ambiguous. I mean, I'm just gonna have like my class there. Okay. Now I can register the entity collider. I mean, yeah, why not? Well, yeah, let me just push this for now. So right there we have manager, we have entity colliders, and I push back the collider. Right? Like this. Wait, is it our ID? It is. Oh no! Okay, so here we go. Then we have the terrain colliders. For this one I might skip this. I guess I just need the generation. This one. Is it a node? Does it have like some nice thing I can access pretty easily? Nope. Type 2 generator. Wait, so can I just search for this? Loader. Right. Right, collision loader. Wait, I should have that in my GD script though. Collision loader. Here we go. Okay, so we do have that. And we generate. So we should have like a callback function. Somewhere. Wait. Where am I even calling this from? Oh, there. Okay, in a lot of places. That's fine. I have to go, Mr. Proxan. Oh. Well, thanks for passing by. I really appreciate it. That was nice seeing you again. It's been a long time. Even though time goes very slowly for me. Wait. What? Oh! Well, I guess I have to authorize that. Wait. Right. Okay, let me do that actually as well too. Yeah, thanks a lot. Wait, no, that's a ban. Wait, so that's streaming. Yeah, let me do that. Sayonara, carbonara, bye bye. And I'm basically gonna let people be able to put some stuff. Wait, moderation. Where is it? Why can I not see? What? Wait. Parameters, streaming. Stream. Latency low. Always publish VODs. Stream rewind. Auto clips waitlist. Wait, what? Wait. I wanna look at this. Toggle on to request to join alpha testing of autoclips, an AI-supported tool that identifies engaging moments for your streams and helps you automatically create and publish clips with captions, including clips that contain multiple moments from your stream. Wait, what? Okay. Should I let AI dictate my life? You decide. Wait, where was it? Create clips with voice command. Okay, it's just that I suck at speaking. Got it. Let users upload. Wait, I already have that. As well too. Okay, good enough. I mean, thanks if you were the one giving me that. Okay, so... Whoa, people. So, what are we gonna do? We have the generator. And I might want a single callback from here. That might be ungenerated or something. Let me just check where this is called again. So they're like basically 1, 2 in unchunk changed. Oh, right. And then, wait, so I'm creating new ones. That's crazy. And then I have this when I'm creating it. Wait, that's crazy. I'm creating new ones. Wait, so what about the unregister? Yeah, I guess I would have to remove them too. Let's have a callback. You know what? Let's just have something pretty simple. It's going to be on collider. Wait, that's a bad idea. That's a very bad idea. Oh, well, I'm not sure about that. Void star, callback object. And on collider registered. With like a void star as an input. Well, actually it's supposed to be a function pointer. So something like this. That is going to point to a function. And then we have the unregistered. Maybe. And we also need the collider. So this. I mean, I guess this. Okay. So we register and we unregister. Voxel collision louder. Okay, seems to be good. So now, I mean, that's like pretty bad though. Do I really want that? Or do I want a true callback? A true signal in the Godot way? I just don't want to have that many callbacks. I don't know. Help! Oh, I guess well. Do I have a list of colliders or something? I do have colliders data. I do have voxel collider here. But I mean, I guess that's it. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't want callbacks, but I want it to be independent. So I mean, one way would just be to... I mean, technically, if I have like a virtual function, it's like worse than a function pointer like that. You know what, let's just have this. This is fine, this is fine. Is it? That's fine. So, registered. Hate coding. I mean, it's just that I don't know, like architecture-wise, performance-wise. It's always, you know, a compromise. How do you do this? Do what? Do what? oh, you hate coding. I mean, I just code this coding. I just do it. No, you hate coding. Do I? I don't hate coding. Well, I like programming. We all hate it. We all hate it. Do we? I don't hate it. Maybe. So, where's it start? I guess I want to call this. So, something like this with the voxel collider and the data callback object. Please, if it's valid. Yeah, that's pretty bad. That's fine. Let's say it's fine. Is it even thread safe? It's not. Well. Okay, so register. So now we have the same here. Right. We have like the new collider. And if not, we have this here with register and unregister. Oh. Like this. And yeah, I just have to make sure that this is not null. Okay, okay. Good. So, alt collider. I want to remove the alt collider. Wait, is it gonna be good? Because this is a pointer. Yeah, I mean, the pointer is not going to change. Okay. Okay. Hopefully. Okay. So now if we have a reference to the collision loader, I should be able to assign those callbacks. So right there, let's say we have a reference to the voxel collision loader. Which is a node. Then, well, not by default. And then end. I want to initialize. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well. Okay. Voxel collision loader. Modules collision. Voxel collision loader. We get this. We assign on collider registered and on collider unregistered. like this. We have the collider. We have the data. And here we go. Here we go. We assign. I mean, I guess I want to verify that this is valid, right? Maybe I want a warning if it's not. I can have that. Well. Fail now. Here we go. Okay. So I just want to assign the data. Like the collider. What was it? Callback objects. I suppose. This equals this. Okay. And now I can basically just cast the data to this, to a pointer. Game manager, GM, let's say. And now we can do GM, well, on voxel. Voxel collider registered. This is important. And on voxel, well, not this one. On voxel collider unregistered. Poof. Poof. And I want to add this to the terrain, right? Terrain colliders dot pushback collider. Same with this one. Voxel collider. Oh no! I get it now. Yeah, I get it now. Namespace this. Here we go. Okay. So now this should be set, hopefully. Hopefully this is good, we push back. I mean, I want to remove, actually, in this case. Unordered is fine. Probably. It doesn't look like very thread safe, but... do we really care? I mean, I guess we do. But, you know... Oh, maybe that's why there was a problem. When I was moving, like, some crashes, actually, from time to time. To do thread safe. Thread safe. Okay. Just a to-do, you know. Okay. So now, technically, I can... Well, technically, I can go and loop over only the ones I want. Which should be pretty good. So for example, right now, the player GD is doing something like test collision against all. Well, I mean, I guess I have one test collision here. Is that the only one I have? Performance test. Right, it's a test. So test collision against all feedback. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Wait, 3 times? I'm not supposed to do that 3 times. What do you mean 3 times? Why 3 times? Wait a second. Huh? Oh, because of the slide. Right, I forgot about that. Because if I just do that, Actually, I still slide. Oh, but I can go inside blocks, right? Wait, I can't? Wait, what? Wait, what is this? Why is it working? Huh? Wait. Is it even moving here? Oh, move inside too. Right, that's why. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So there's still a 3. Right. I mean, you know what? That's fine. I don't care. This is fine. Maybe a 4 would be perfect, right? For perfect collisions. But, so 1, 2, 3. Is that all? Maybe. What I want instead of this is I want gameplay manager, and I want a function that's going to be test collision against terrain. Okay. And we're gonna do the continuous collision. And this is gonna be good. And another one will be test collision against what? Against entities? Like, against items, maybe? Well. Against item entities. What was it? Wait, I have a vector. Item entities, yeah. Okay. And I should be able to return like a boolean or something. This is supposed to call the function against all the bad things. Well, against all the things in the physics renderer. So we have this. Against terrain. Okay. So against terrain. Let's take a look at this. Terrain. So technically, if I do physics, like voxel physics. Wait, I actually don't have it included. Modules, collision, physics server. Wait. Boom. Then you have this voxel physics server. Get single done. Oop. Can I just use the namespace? I will. I definitely will. Good. It's the server, alright. And we are going to server test collision, continuous collision against all, feedback, probably. Continuous collision against all feedback, yeah. Or ID. Yeah, I guess I have different versions. And it's not against all, actually. It's just about the entities. So, local vector or ID. Oh, do I want all IDs? I don't like that. Do I just have something to retrieve? Collider. Get, destroy, register, start, unregister. Can I? No. Never mind. In any case, I need the convex collider. Well, yeah. Well, yeah. Something like this. So that's one. And the velocity is gonna be... Yeah, what is even... Well, I mean, I guess I'm gonna just pass it as an input. Wait a second. I mean, do I really want to test continuous collisions for that? Not necessarily. I can optimize. I can just have like the normal collision. Well, it depends if it's like really small or not, but I mean, should be fine. Wow. Position. Poo. Poo. Oh, not position, velocity. Okay. We're gonna have the same up there, obviously. And instead of against all, this is going to be test continuous collisions against feedback or ID maybe. And we're going to provide the item entities. So just this one, I guess. Or is it? Yeah. Yeah, let's say it's fine. So we have the velocity. I guess we assume items are not going to move, which is not really true, but that's fine, right? Assume not moving. But you know, that's fine, that's fine. Not a big deal. And we do have the same thing right there. Just that this time terrain colliders is not our IDs. Okay, and now I have to implement those functions. It's like without, well, I mean one has the ID, but can I like get the collider? Register, create colliders or ID. Yeah, let me just check first. Colliders or ID. What if I do this dot find get? Not really get. Initialize make owns. Oh. Not really. Well. Replace. Okay. I'm becoming really too tired. I'm becoming like really slow. That might be... I might be going soon. I'm just gonna try finishing this. Can I just get the RID? Well, not the RID, but the voxel collider from the RID. So this RID to data. I mean, there should be a way. I just forgot. Get pointer, get on null, RID. Wait, what? Get on null RID. Wait. Oh. Yeah. Okay. No, that makes sense. Wait. Get on now. Okay. What was it? Oh, I closed it. Never mind. So get on now. We have the find voxel collider. And we just return, I suppose. So this, we return pointer. We make it constant. And that should be good. Is it not? Let's save. I don't care about that. Voxel physics, voxel collider. Spread safe false. Not compatible. What do you mean? Voxel collider. Does that have to be... Wait. Is it like the opposite? Wait. Just in case... No. Is it like this and this? No, it's not, yeah. Yeah, okay. So it's when I return, though. When I return, it's not the right data. Is that it? Wait, what if I do auto v? The object has type qualifiers that are not compatible with the member function. Eternal. Wait. I don't get this. RID get data from RID. I mean, I guess it's RID owner, really. PTR owner. Get on now. It takes the RID and returns the data. Does it? Do I have to... I don't know, do stuff? Because I have nuclear. Like if I just remove the return type. Oh, and I do this. It's not fine. Because there's something there, const RID. I don't know what's happening. There shouldn't be any problem. There shouldn't be. And for some reason there is. Is it because I don't know the type? No, it's not in a namespace. I mean, voxel physics, actually, where? Technically, it might be. Wait. Crider IDs. 1. Yeah, I was thinking maybe this. Well, no, it's just here actually. I don't get it. I really don't get it. And my brain is just dying. Consts or ID, nah. Wait. Like voxel collider? I mean, if I have an auto, that means the problem would be the RID, but the RID should be good. So I don't get it. Like auto G, return G, right? That's what we're gonna have. Find voxel collider. Right there, actually. And in this case, we're going to get it directly. Wait. Yeah, it's about the server. And it is collision like find. Voxel colliders. Here we go. Then I have this. This. So first is against find voxel colliders. Okay. Well, against terrain. Well, okay. Well, I have the collider. Never mind. And then I test collision against. Wait. Terrain entity. Yeah, right. I just have to implement this. And then it's returning a Boolean or something, depending on that, right? But yeah, my apologies. I know you're watching. I know I wish I could stream a bit more, but I'm really dead. I really can't do anything. So I'm gonna go get some sleep. And yeah, it's just see you next time, I suppose. And just leave one last raid before that. Out universe. Let's go. Oh, it's not good though. Wait. Well, I guess it's. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's cute. Ew. I kind of regret. But I mean, I guess that's fine. So on that note, see you next time, peeps. That was fun. And bye-bye.